Sissy from Spring has a question about toilet misplacement.
That would be a disaster in the middle of the night. Where's the toilet?
It moved.
Okay.
It's got legs.
This is a new construction, building a house. Sissy writes, our architects placed the toilet in front of the bathroom door instead of the sink. Here's the bathroom here where they put the toilet in front of the door. Apparently they wanted the sink there and the toilet over there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, we didn't catch this until the foundation was already poured, she says. And when we saw it roughed in, rut-row, this ain't going to work. The toilet drain will need to be moved at least 5 feet. And we could move the doorway, but that means we lose a lot of cabinet space. So the builder said they can cut into the slab, Tom, and we can have an engineered pier and beams. It's an engineered pier and beam home is what she's saying here. And she's worried that cutting that slab is going to be a problem. Is it going to be?
I've had to do it many times. You know why that's a bad design, just on the architect side? Mm-hmm. When the door is open, you don't want to look at a toilet. You want to look at a sink or something that's not as unpleasant as a toilet. So, yeah, switching them would make sense. As far as that goes, just cut the slab and move it. It happens all the time. Simple.
Okay. There's only one thing worse than open the door and seeing a toilet.
Well, or you can
open the door and seeing somebody on the toilet.
Okay. Unfortunately, the door won't open when somebody's sitting on that toilet
because it's hurt their knees.
Yeah, it's like an airplane.
It's almost like a safety protocol. So that doesn't happen. Yes. Okay, so the bottom line is you can cut the slab, you can move that thing. It's not going to be a problem, even on pier and beam.
Well, she's talking about a slab. It's got beams and a slab.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Not the pier and beam you're thinking of. We wouldn't have to cut anything.
Okay,
we would just go into the floor.
That's right.
All right, but yeah, it's just an engineered slab.
All right, my mistake. See, that's why he's in charge of the answers. I'm in charge of the questions that you send us. At HomeShowRadio.com, use that Ask Tom form. We'll answer it just like that, like these videos here.
Click that bell.